Let's talk about something that's literally staring you in the face: eye contact. You might be missing out on one of the most powerful tools in your dating arsenal, and you don't even know it. When it comes to attraction, your eyes can do more heavy lifting than the smoothest pickup line or the most expensive dinner date. Think about the last time someone held your gaze just a moment longer than usual. Did you feel that little flutter in your stomach? That's not just butterflies, it's science. When we make eye contact with someone we're attracted to, our bodies release phenylethylamine, the same chemical that makes us feel giddy when we eat chocolate. Pretty cool, right? But here's the thing, most people are totally dropping the ball when it comes to eye contact. They're either staring too intensely, hello, creepy vibes, or avoiding it altogether because they're nervous. The sweet spot lies somewhere in between, and I'm going to show you exactly how to nail it. Let's break down what makes eye contact so magnetic. When you look someone in the eyes, you're basically opening a direct line of communication that goes way deeper than words. Your brain starts firing off signals that boost connection and trust. It's like having a secret conversation without saying a word. Research shows that maintaining eye contact for just a few seconds can create more intimacy than hours of small talk. But here's where most people mess up. They treat eye contact like a staring contest. That's not what we're going for here. The key is to make it natural and comfortable. Think of it like a dance. You move in, hold it for a moment, look away briefly, then reconnect. This creates a rhythm that builds anticipation and interest without making anyone feel uncomfortable. Want to know a pro tip? The next time you're talking to someone you're interested in, try the triangle technique. Look at one eye, then the other, then briefly glance at their mouth before starting the pattern again. This subtle movement creates a sense of intimacy and shows you're engaged in the conversation. Just keep it subtle. You're going for smooth, not hypnotic. Here's something most dating coaches won't tell you. Your eye contact game needs to match the moment. Making intense eye contact while discussing your favorite pizza toppings might come across as weird, but holding someone's gaze while sharing something personal or meaningful, that's where the magic happens. It's all about context and timing. Let's talk about what your eyes are actually saying. Did you know that your pupils dilate when you look at someone you're attracted to? It's a completely involuntary response that dates back to our evolutionary past. When someone sees your pupils dilate, their brain subconsciously registers attraction, even if they're not actively thinking about it. That's why genuine attraction can't be faked. Your eyes will always tell the truth. But eye contact isn't just about creating attraction. It's about building trust and connection. When you maintain appropriate eye contact during conversation, you're showing the other person that they have your full attention. In today's world of constant phone checking and digital distractions, giving someone your undivided attention through eye contact is like giving them a rare gift. Here's a challenge for you. In your next conversation, try to notice how much eye contact you naturally make. Most people are surprised to find they look away more often than they think. Start practicing holding eye contact for just a second longer than feels comfortable. It's like building a muscle. The more you work at it, the more natural it becomes. Remember though, different cultures have different rules about eye contact. What might be considered confident and attractive in one culture could be seen as aggressive or disrespectful in another. Always be mindful of cultural differences and adjust accordingly. The real power of eye contact lies in its ability to create memorable moments. Think about it. We remember faces that maintain warm, genuine eye contact with us. It makes us feel seen, understood, and valued. In the dating world, that's pure gold. When someone feels truly seen by you, you become memorable in a way that no pickup line or clever text message could achieve. Key insights woven throughout the text include the scientific basis for eye contact's effectiveness, the role of proper timing and context, cultural considerations, and the connection between eye contact and trust building. I've emphasized the practical application of eye contact techniques while maintaining a conversational, accessible tone that provides genuine value to readers interested in improving their dating success. Remember, mastering the art of eye contact isn't about manipulation. It's about creating genuine connections and showing real interest in another person. When used authentically, it's one of the most powerful tools we have for building attraction and meaningful relationships. So next time you're out there in the dating world, don't forget the power of your gaze. It might just be the game changer you've been looking for.